Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss very important topic, signs of trigonometric functions. Okay, in all the quadrants. This is our first quadrant, this is our second quadrant, this is our third quadrant, and this is our fourth quadrant. This is a unit circle. Unit circle means already I told you radius will be 1 unit. Okay, radius will be 1 unit. Okay, so I am going to take any point here. Okay, I let it be A, B, and we will draw perpendicular. Let this arc length is your x unit, so that angle will be at the center, will be what, your x radian. So already I told you A will be equal to cos x and B is equal to, in the previous video, sin x. We have discussed this one. Okay, now listen how they correlate. In first quadrant we know, A is greater than 0 and B is also any coordinate x and y जो भी फॉर्म में होगा हमेशा क्या होगा, A is greater than 0, B is greater than, मतलब जो भी कोऑर्डिनेट फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होता है, प्लस कॉमा प्लस, ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. सो A is greater than 0, B is greater than 0. So means what, that your cos x and sin x both will be positive. If both will be positive means tan x, cot x, sec x, all the trigonometric ratio will be positive. All trigonometric functions will be positive in first quadrant. Okay, understood reason? This is a first point. Okay, this is a first quadrant. Now in second quadrant, how the coordinates remain? In second quadrant we know that is x is negative but y is positive. It is what, that your x is negative but y is positive. Coordinates always in this form. मतलब क्या हो गया, A is less than 0 but B is greater than 0. Okay, A is less than 0 मतलब A cos x है, cos x तो नेगेटिव होगा, but B is your sin x, तो sin x is positive. In second quadrant sin x is positive. If sin x is positive, which other ratio will be positive? That is your cosec x is also positive. Okay, that is your, understood this one? A क्या है आपका, cos x है, but B क्या है आपका, sin x है, तो sin x is greater than 0 in second quadrant. So sin x is positive, so cosec x also positive in second quadrant. Now in third quadrant, coordinates are in which form? Coordinates are in which one? Both are negative. x भी नेगेटिव में जा रहा है, y भी, मतलब नेगेटिव कॉमा नेगेटिव इस फॉर्म में होता है. मतलब आपका a भी लेस देन 0 है, b भी लेस देन 0 है. अब आपका क्या है, cos x भी लेस देन 0 और sin x भी लेस देन 0. मतलब अगर आप tan x लोगे, tan x will be what, your sin x by cos x, means negative by negative is what, positive. Means in third quadrant tan x and cot x both will be positive. So third important point will be, in third quadrant tan x and cot x both will be positive. Will be very important concept. To solve the questions it will work a lot. Okay, so you need to just, I will tell you how to learn also in this one. Now in fourth quadrant coordinates are in which form? Plus comma, y coordinate negative, plus minus. मतलब आपका क्या हो गया, cos x is positive, A is greater than 0 but B is less than 0, so cos x positive but sin x is less than 0. मतलब cos और sec, cos and sec. So in fourth quadrant cos x and sec x will be always positive. Okay, so how we learn it? We learn it like that. Okay, just we will make that. Okay, this is your circle. Okay, this is your circle, and you will say this is for all trigonometric functions are positive here. Here it will be what, your sin and cos x. So I will be saying all s for this one, and then it is sin and cosec. Okay, which will be for sin x and cosec x, and this will be your third quadrant will be tan and cot. So I will be saying tan x and cot x will be positive, and fourth quadrant which one, your cos. So what is yours, cos x and sec x will be positive. All trigonometric function, sin x second quadrant for sin and cosec x, third will be tan x and cot x, and this is cos x and sec x. So we learn it, all students to college, we learn it like that, all students to college. Okay, this is to learn. So first word is for all, first quadrant. Second quadrant for S for sine and cosec, T for tan and cot, and C for cos and sec. Means first quadrant में सारे quadratic trigonometric functions will be positive. So you need to learn like that. It is easy. Okay. So now very important. This one also we said which coordinate here 1,0. Which coordinate is there 0,1. Which coordinate and these coordinates are there. This one. Which coordinate will come here? That is your 0, -1. Okay, for this we can expand our this angles and values. Angles we know for 0 radian I am saying here, then 30 degree will be pi by 6, then 45 pi by 4, then yours pi by 360 degree, then 90 degree pi by 2, then comes our pi by 2 till here, then comes pi is this till here pi by 2, फिर यहाँ से टोटल कितना हो जाएगा पाई 180 डिग्री, देन हियर इट विल बी 3 पाई बाई 2 मीन्स 270 डिग्री, देन इट कम्स योर कंप्लीट इट इज 2 पाई. So I can get the values for trigonometric functions, values. Okay, for this what it will be, or for sine I am saying this values will be for sin x. Sin x now you say for 0 it is here 0, b coordinate sin x है तो 0 आ गया आपका. pi by 6 30 degree, so you have learned in 10th only 1/2, 1/√2, and pi by 3 it is what 60 degree it is your √3 by 2. pi by 2 now pi by 2 भी देखो साइन की वैल्यू क्या है 1, b कोऑर्डिनेट 1 है. ठीक है, पाई मीन्स 180, b कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है 0, साइन पाई 0. देन 3 पाई बाई 2 मीन्स यहाँ पे b कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है -1. देन 2 पाई what is b कोऑर्डिनेट 0. अगेन then it's a periodic function, values will get repeat. This is for sin x. I said what that here, this is for sin x. Now for cos x. cos x भी देखोगे, cos x आपको पता ही है that 0 a coordinate that is 1, 0 for cos 0 is 1. Then you know already this 30 degree, so you learnt in this one √3 by 2, 1/√2 that is your 1/2. अब pi by 2 पे a coordinate 0. Then pi means this 180 degree, pi means 180 degree, a coordinate is what your -1. Okay, for 3 pi by 2 here till here what will be the value a coordinate, this is your 0. Odd multiple cos is always 0. Okay, then 2 pi again 0 means 1. Okay, for this. Okay, so for this values of tan x, so you will divide cot x and all 6 you can get your own the values. Okay, now one important more concept is there. What it is actually, this is if you are making a these all will work in different questions. You will be saying I am drawing the unit circle bit. Okay, that is now I am taking what this point, any p point here. Okay, a comma b, and this arc length is x, so this will be your x radian. Okay, same in clockwise also I am taking the same length and I am saying it is -x radian. Okay, the coordinates in this fourth quadrant will be what yours a comma -b. Okay, now what I will find out, very important result it is, I will say that sine of a is equal to what your sin x. A is equal to sin x. No, if you drop it, what I tell, cos x. Okay, just here. Okay, in the class so you could answer it, a equal cos x. So b is what your sin x. In which direction, anti clockwise. अगर मैं clockwise लेती हूँ ये एंगल क्या बन जाएगा माइनस, तो आप ये बोलोगे यहाँ पे a क्या आया cos ऑफ -x. ओके, और अगर आपने इसमें clockwise लिया तो क्या एंगल आ जाएगा -b is equal to sin of -x. Now you see, if I say both are a, I can equate both. तो result क्या आ गया, cos of -x is equal to cos of x. This is very important result. मतलब cos of -30 degree आएगा तो it is equal to cos of 30 degree. Cos of -x equal cos x. But if you are going to equate here, you will say sin of -x is equal to minus of b. b कितना है sin x. लेकिन साइन में अगर आपका नेगेटिव वैल्यू आता है, मतलब साइन ऑफ -30, तो आ जाएगा माइनस ऑफ साइन 30. कीप इन माइंड, दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट. इट विल ओके कम इन डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस. कॉस में साइन सेम ही रहता है, लेकिन साइन में क्या हो जाता है, नेगेटिव साइन आता है. ओके, तो सेम अदर रिलेशंस के लिए भी क्या हो जाएगा, अगर सेक ऑफ -x बोलोगे तो ऑब्वियसली सेक x आ जाएगा, और अगर कॉस सेक ऑफ -x बोलोगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस ऑफ, बिकॉज यू नो द रिलेशन. ओके, कॉस एक्स इज 1/sin x. सिमिलरली tan ऑफ -x, tan ऑफ -x, साइन बाय कॉस, तो साइन एक नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव ही आएगा, -10x. एंड कॉट ऑफ -x, अगेन वन नेगेटिव इज देयर, कॉस बाय साइन, तो व्हाट इट इज़ योर कॉस ऑफ -x बाय साइन ऑफ -x. तो इट विल बी तो पॉजिटिव cos x, बट इट विल माइनस साइन. so it will remain minus cot x. So for all this you need to, so now one question I am going to explain you, that application of this all topic. Just you see, if cos x equal minus half, x lies in third quadrant. Keep now quadrant, how important it is. Cos x का वैल्यू दे रखा है, find values of all 5 trigonometric function. You know first identity, what it is says that sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. तो आपका क्या हो गया, 1 माइनस कॉस एक्स की वैल्यू दे रखी है माइनस हाफ, पुट कर दो बेटा स्क्वायर, इट विल बी 1 माइनस 1/4, इट इज इक्वल टू 3/4. तो साइन स्क्वायर एक्स इज इक्वल टू 3/4. दिस इम्प्लाइज व्हाट, साइन एक्स इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस √3/2. अब मुझे कौन सा साइन एक्सेप्ट करना है, ये डिपेंड करेगा, एक्स लाइज इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट. तो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में या तो ऑल था या साइन एंड कॉसेक. अब ये हमारा क्या है, टेन और कॉट का, तो यहाँ पे साइन नेगेटिव रहता है. तो विच वैल्यू फॉर साइन एक्स वी विल बी एक्सेप्टिंग, माइनस √3/2 विल बी एक्सेप्टेड. प्लस इज रिजेक्टेड बिकॉज एक्स लाइज इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, इसमें होता है. अब आपका साइन एक्स आ गया, तो अब आपको टेन एक्स निकालना है. टेन एक्स विल बी वॉट योर साइन एक्स बाई कॉस एक्स, साइन एक्स बाई cos x. sin x कितना है, माइनस √3/2. cos x you will be already given minus half, so it will be positive √3. अब आ गया थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में 10, automatically it is positive coming. Simply cot x you will be getting, cot x will be 1/√3. Okay, simply sec x is the reciprocal of this one, -2. Simply cosec x is the reciprocal of sin, -2/√3. This is your answer. Or one more way is there, if it is given cos x is equal to minus half, you can do by the sides. It is the ratio of which one, base by hypotenuse. You can get perpendicular square hypotenuse minus base square. Hypotenuse here 2. See, actually this is not equal to value, these are the ratios, multiple. We need to put 2k, but for easy method I am putting 2 here, 2 square minus 1 square. What it is, 3. So p is plus minus √3. अब आपको साइन एक्स निकालना है. साइन एक्स इज द रेशियो ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेनस. नाउ परपेंडिकुलर हाइपोटेनस इज व्हाट, योर 2. अब परपेंडिकुलर यू नीड टू नो विच क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, तो नेगेटिव वैल्यू आएगी, तो सिंपली माइनस √3/2. बिकॉज एक्स लाइज इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड में साइन नेगेटिव होता है. देन 10x अगर निकालना है, तो 10x आपका वैल्यू क्या है, परपेंडिकुलर बाय बेस, तो √3 बाय बेस की वैल्यू डायरेक्टली लिख लो 1. ओके, बट फिर देखना है थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में 10 नेगेटिव है कि पॉजिटिव, तो वी विल एक्सेप्ट दिस वन, √3. ओके, सिंपली cot x इज इक्वल टू 1/√3. आंसर्स विल रिमेन सेम. sec x किसका होगा, आपको जस्ट रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा, -2. सिंपली cosec x इज द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ साइन, -2/√3. ओके, this is your, you can start your exercise 3.2, very easy question, just go through. Thank you students.